Loading the dishwasher correctly. The biggest thing is utensils. Do you put utensils facing down? Do you put utensils facing up? So if you put them facing up, like so, what are you doing? You're picking them up by the part that's gonna touch the food. That's no good. You don't want that. So, when you're putting the dirty dishes in the dishwasher, stems up, face down. Now, when you go to get the clean dishes up, you pick them up by the stems. Guess what's not getting touched? This part, because that's gonna go in your